A tip I have for you if you're going to be hot gluing some gems on here is that the glue will be sliding off the pumpkin, so just make little swirls like this and it'll be good to go. For this next pumpkin, I used the paintbrush without cleaning it to mix the black and white to make this color. I just added a little bit of the white on the pumpkin and used the black paint left on the brush to make this color. I'm adding some more glitter on the top, then I'll make a different pattern using the gems. And here we have the finished glam pumpkins, you guys. I love the way these look. Let me know what you think. What color combination would you do? I personally wanted to do black and then shades of gray. I think they're just absolutely stunning. I haven't seen anything like this in the stores, and for the Dollar Tree, you could definitely make these affordable and super glam. You can style these anywhere that you want in your home, and here I styled them on my dining room table as well. You can definitely have a lot of fun making these pumpkins, so let me know what color choice you would make and if you would make these. For this next DIY, you will need an 8x10 silver frame, a metal word, a circle mirror, gem beads, and a hot glue gun. And a 50 count of the maple leaves. So here I'm taking the back part out and setting that aside, also taking this piece of paper out that came in there and setting this part right here aside. Grabbing the cardboard back that was in the back of the frame, I'll be detaching the circle mirror and placing it on top of the cardboard. So I just laid the mirror on top without gluing it, then placed the maple leaves all around the mirror so I could see how many leaves I'm going to need to hide the cardboard back. Now that I know how many maple leaves I'm going to use, I can remove them and outline the mirror so I can begin gluing leaves on top. I'm going to be painting the leaves white, but if you want to leave it this color choice, you're more than welcome to, or you can even do black or red or paint it whatever color you want. This color is also beautiful to actually have the fall colors, but I wanted to go ahead with the white. I turned the cardboard around so I can cut the leaves that were sticking out so I can be able to stick it back in the frame. Now this step, I'm just going to place some of the paint on top of the leaves and begin painting. Now that I actually painted the leaves white, the color was trying to come through with the orange and the red, so I definitely recommend using a white spray paint to hide the color in the leaves. I wanted to add some sparkle, so I got some of the glitter that I had and went over the leaves. I did notice that the color kept coming through, so when the leaves were dry, I added another coat and it was good to go. Here I'm adding some hot glue in the center so I can place the mirror on top. Taking my metal word, it's the word harvest, and I couldn't find my welcome one, so I had just this one on hand that I decided to glue down. I probably added around 4 or 5 coats of white because the color just kept going through, so definitely use spray paint. And here's the finished result, you guys. I also added some of the gems outside of the frame to give it more glam, and I just thought it came out absolutely beautiful. And if you wanted to hang these on your wall, you can definitely add welcome and grateful words on there, and you can make 2 more, or you can make however many you want. I just thought this was absolutely stunning. I'm going to be doing a fall home tour soon, so make sure you turn on the bell so you can be notified when I upload the video and you don't miss it. For the last DIY, you will need a paper plate, paint, this gem wrap from Hobby Lobby that I got for $3. It was 50% off, and a Dollar Tree vase. So this last DIY is super simple and easy to make because I wanted to make something that just makes my hydrangeas pop out. At the end, I'll show you how I styled it and some of the Dollar Tree flowers of the red peonies. This is what the gem wrap looks up close, and I got it from Hobby Lobby for $3. It was 50% off, and honestly, you can get the Dollar Tree one, but this is for $2 more. So worth it. It gives a beautiful impact, and it's just a statement. I already measured it around the vase before I put it on here to make sure it fit. Then I just put the other one right under it. This is how I styled the hydrangeas with the burgundy peonies, and I think that this just gives it a beautiful, bold statement look, and I love the gem wrap around it. It just looks so elegant and bling and glam, so I love how this came out. Let me know which DIY was your favorite. I really liked all of them because they're just super simple and so affordable. You just can't beat that. So thank you all so much for watching. This concludes my video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and I will be doing my baby girl's room nursery tour soon. I'm so excited to share it with you guys because I know it's been a highly requested video and I finally finished it. I put so much love into it, so I will be posting that soon. Thank you so much for all your continued love and support. It never goes unnoticed. I'll talk to you all in my next video.